Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a frequent flyer heading through JFK Airport and you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to access the Chase Sapphire Lounge at JFK, making your layover or pre-flight wait a whole lot more luxurious. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the Chase Sapphire Lounge? It's a premium airport lounge offered by Chase Bank, designed to give cardholders a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the airport. Located in Terminal 4 at JFK, this lounge boasts comfortable seating, complimentary food and drinks, high-speed Wi-Fi, and even spa services, perfect for unwinding before your flight. Now, who can get in? Primarily, it's for holders of the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card. If you have that shiny card in your wallet, you're golden. But don't worry if you're traveling with family or friends. You can bring up to 2 guests for free, and additional guests for a small fee. If you're not a Reserve cardholder, you might still access it with other premium Chase cards or through certain airline partnerships, so double-check your benefits. Alright, let's talk about the steps to access it. Step 1. Make sure you're at Terminal 4 in JFK. Once you're there, head to the lounge entrance, usually near the security checkpoint or as indicated on airport signage. Step 2. Present your Chase Sapphire Reserve card at the entrance. The staff will verify your eligibility quickly. If you're using a mobile app, like the Chase app, you might need to show a digital version of your card or any required QR code. Step 3. If you have guests, inform the staff right away so they can process everyone. A few pro tips to make your visit smooth. Try to arrive early, as lounges can get busy during peak hours. Download the Chase app beforehand to handle any digital check-ins. And remember, the lounge has a dress code, keep it neat and airport appropriate. Once inside, enjoy the amenities, but be mindful of flight times. There you have it. Accessing the Chase Sapphire Lounge at JFK is easier than you think, and it's a game changer for your travel experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.